How to Make Pastry, your step-by-step guide to baking pastry. Written by HowExpert Press, narrated by Catherine O'Connor. Introduction. Making pastries is a very enjoyable endeavor. It has existed for centuries. Every known culture has its own methods for making pastries, each with its own unique flavors, smells, and colors. The result is a very delightful gourmet. Making pastries can be very enjoyable, both as a profession and as a hobby. The old Middle Eastern pastry known as the baklava is relatively flavorful and thin. Modern methods are used to cook the coolest, high-cozy novelties. This guide covers the basic concepts involved in the creation of both traditional and newer pastries. We also go into detail about developing your own recipes. What we call pastries. Pastries are composed of the following ingredients: egg yolks, generally white flour, low-fat milk, and some form of high-saturated fat-like cheese, egg yolks, which are high in cholesterol, margarine, and egg oil. Before cooking, you will want to transform the ingredients into liquids by mixing them. Occasionally, however, you can employ more diverse mixing techniques to render a thicker, more solid mass. You can cook pastries via an oven, fry them, or optionally, you can mix and freeze them before serving them to your guests. Typically, pastries are devoured for breakfast, dinner, or lunch. You can devour them with a cup of coffee or some nourishing beverages like tea or milk. This is sure to bring a lot of smiles to your guests' faces.